Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start time in Time Doctor. So here I have the application. You can also do this on the extension as well for Time Doctor, as you can see. Okay, you can just click on this and it will start the timer, as you can see. Or you can come here on the application itself. You can go ahead and choose the specific task. You just click on it and the timer would start for that day. As you can see, it's continuing right now from where it left off. And you can easily switch between any of these. Just click on it and we'll work on that task until you decide to pause it. So total time today, 11 seconds. You can just click on the play button and the time would start for that specific task. Just come here on the left hand panel, click on timer, and you can choose these as required. And it's really that easy on how to start time in Time Doctor.